Good morning to all my dear students and their parents. Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Coming back to school after a lengthy break may be a time of happiness and excitement for you all. I am glad to inform you that Ministry of Education released guidelines for reopening schools from October 15th. The ministry is trying to figure out the solution how to reopen the schools. This we all know that we are still quite some time away from having a vaccine of COVID-19 in our hands. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has allowed reopening of schools and colleges from 15th of October for classes 9 to 12th on a voluntary basis. Students will attend the school physically with the consent of their parents, and those who do not wish to come to school can continue taking online classes. Soon, we will inform you how the classes will be conducted on school opening. We ensure you that the students will get a safe, clean, COVID-free environment. They will maintain physical distancing during school time under the teacher's supervision. Dear parents and students, soon we will update you regarding reopening of the school. Thank you.